नन्दन व्रज जनरञ्जन यमुनातीरा वनचारी यमुनातीरा वनचारी यमुनातीरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama
राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे जय राधा गिरिधारी राधे राधे जय राधा गिरिधारी राधे राधे जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय लक्ष्मी नरसिंह लक्ष्मी नरसिंह जय 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 गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय जय गौरानिताय निताय गौर हरि बोल नेता गौर हरि बोल जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद श्री प्रभुपाद की जय जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा माई की जय Today is a very, very auspicious day. Lord Jagannath, Rath Yatra, Ashad Dvitiya. Everybody were waiting when Lord will sit on the Ratha. Till yesterday in Jagannath Puri there was a high tension going on. Whether the Ratha, Lord will sit on the Rath or not. So when the Supreme Court left it to the state government, they have taken certain care, all the measures. And today Lord is sitting on the Rath. So morning I spoke to one Panda who is very close to us. He showed me video. Though the live was going on, he personally took the camera, kept before the Lord. So everybody is so happy there because we cannot stop the festival. no pandemic can stop Lord sitting on the Ratha. There can be some rules and regulations like few people can be allowed, not lot of crowd will be there. That all is okay. But nobody can stop Lord sitting on the Ratha. So that's it. This is a karishma. Karishma means it is a complete miracle that Lord somehow gave the intelligence to the officials, and in this way Lord is seated on the Ratha. The description of the Ratha goes like this. The Ratha looks as tall as a Sumeru Parvat. Lord's Ratha is known as Nandi Ghosh. And they were describing 45 feet. The Ratha is so huge and so heighted. It is 45 feet height. And it is the name of Jagannath's Ratha is Nandi Ghosh. And you have Baladev's Ratha is known as Taladhvaja. And you have Subhadra's Ratha, which is known as Devadalan Ratha. Then the description was going on when in the TV I was hearing that they pull the Ratha in a very systematic way. But then somebody said there is no systematized thing for Lord. It is all dependent on Lord. If he wants to move, he will move. If he does not want to move, he will not move. Though we may try to do so much of systematized way and all those things, it is all up to the will of Lord. Like in Jagannath Center, this is the first time we are holding the Rath Yatra on this particular day. Or every time it is held in Mira Road. We all go to Mira Road temple, but this is the first time we are doing here on that same very day. Or in Thane, the Rath Yatra happens 26 January. And in Kandivali it happens May 1st. And this year, 26 January, Rath Yatra was there. But May 1st, we could not hold the Rath Yatra. And in Kalyan, during the Padwa time, during the Ram Navami, you can say, that time the Rath Yatra is held. But these both Rath Yatras, we had to cancel, that is Kalyan Rath Yatra and Kandivali Rath Yatra. But somehow all the Kalyan devotees, they were also thinking that, and Kandivali devotees also thinking, what is this year we could not have Rath Yatra. But Lord has made the arrangement. And devotees from Kandivali, they have sent lot of bhogas for Lord. The devotees from Kalyan also sent lot of bhogas for Lord. Borivali devotees have also brought lot of bhogas. Thane devotees have given. This time the bhogas are more than 300 bhogas. Normally this much, even when it is open, this much bhogas are never there. But this time it is more than 300 bhogas for Krishna. That means Krishna wants to show that no lockdown will stop my festival. In fact, it happens more in a very grand way. And all the devotees are in fact watching from the Facebook live it is going on. So wherever you are, Lord will bestow mercy on to all of you. Because Jagannath mercy is so wonderful. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sings the 4 padas, we'll try to describe these 4 padas before Ratha. It means a lot. Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sang these 4 padas? The last pada, let us see the last pada. What it implies. Who am I? I am completely surrendered to Krishna. That should be the mode. Who am I? I am servant of Krishna. I am servant of the servant of Lord. Naham vipro na chanarapatir napi vaisho na shudro naham varni na chagrahapatir na vanasto yatirva kintu prodya nikhila paramananda purna mrutabdhe gopi bhartur padakamalayur dasa dasanudasa. Naham vipro. I am not a Brahmana. Sometimes we have a false identification with this body. We think, oh, I am a Brahmana, I am a Kshatriya, I am a Vaishya, I am a Shudra. But this verse says, Naham Vipro, I am not a Brahman. I am not a Kshatriya, I am not a Brahmana, I am not a Kshatriya, I am not a Vaishya, I am not a Shudra. I am not a Brahmachari. Naham Varni Nacha Grahapatir Navanastu Yaturva. I am not a Brahmachari, I am not a Grahastha, I am not a Vanaprastha, I am not a Sannyasi. Then who am I? I am the servant of the servant of the servant of Krishna. Who is Krishna? Gopi Bhartur. He is the protector of the gopis. He is a maintainer of the gopis. Gopi Bhartur Padakamalayur Dasa Dasanudasa. This is my identification. So whatever arrangements Krishna allows us to do, that is Krishna's mercy. It is only because of Krishna's mercy we get the strength to do Krishna's festival. It is not by our own endeavor, we can do. It is only by Krishna's mercy. If Krishna wants, Krishna gives, is done. So that is how one should understand that we are just servant of the servant of the servant of the Lord. And Krishna is the maintainer. And one verse before that, Jayati Jananivaso Devaki Janmavado. Krishna's birth and Krishna's activities are completely transcendental. We can ourselves feel in this pandemic situation, when everywhere everything is locked down, but Krishna's festival is not stopping. You see, all the festivals of Krishna is happening. That means Krishna's activities are completely transcendental. Nobody can stop that. There may be some restrictions, but nobody can stop. That is why Janma Karma Cha Me Vidivyam Evam Yo Vetti Tattvataha. Krishna's activities are completely transcendental. Devaki Janmavado Yaduvara Parasata Svair Durbhir Asyanna Dharmam. So in this way, he is guiding the Yadu dynasty. And in this way, he guides everyone. Krishna comes to establish dharma. Why there is suffering everywhere? Because people have forgotten that the only work is worship. Worship is the only work. To facilitate that worship, other works are done. So to remove the adharma, Krishna has to do some plans. Sometimes Adi Devi Shakti that acts to teach that adharma is happening so much. Yesterday I was just talking to my mother. My mother said, why is it that liquor shops are open and the temples are closed? A simple question was asked by my mother. Why is it that the liquor shops are open and the temples are closed? So that is what is adharma. Actually, temples should be open and the liquor shop should be closed. But anyhow, that is also again the government plans what we can do before that. We cannot do anything before that. But in the real sense, what is adharma? Where chanting and hearing about the Lord is reduced, then that is adharma. When chanting doesn't happen, chanting of holy name doesn't happen, when people have so much of faith in so-called scientific advancement, people forget that bhakti is beyond everything. Where logics end, bhakti begins. One cannot find out some reasons for bhakti. Bhakti is beyond. Krishna's miracles are beyond everything. Bhakti is beyond everything. So that is how Krishna appears to establish dharma. Sthirachara Vriji Nagna Sushmita Shri Mukhena Varjapuri Varitanam Ka Vardhayan Kamadevam. In this way, when the Ratha is pulled, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is in the mood of Radharani, is singing this song. These verses are sung by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu because he is in the mood of Radharani. When in Kurukshetra, there was solar eclipse, and all the Dwarkavasis along with Krishna, they come to take bath. Just day before yesterday was solar eclipse. So in Kurukshetra, all the Dwarkavasis along with Krishna, they come there. So these Brajavasis, when they come to know, oh, Krishna has come, so all of them run to bring Krishna back. So pulling of Krishna from the Dwarka mood to Vrindavan mood, that is Rath Yatra. And Krishna is also eagerly waiting. For 15 days the Pata was closed. Anavasara period. In Jagannath Puri for 15 days there is no darshan. Because Krishna wants to spend time, Jagannath wants to spend time with Lakshmi. And after that, he wants to come to Vrindavan. That is what is Gundicha is Vrindavan. So in the mood of Radharani, here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is singing that your darshan itself is actually increasing our lusty desires. And the lusty desires of the gopis are not to be compared with the mundane lusty desires of the girls and the boys. So here, in the bhava of the gopis, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is singing that your smiling face actually is increasing the bliss in our heart, the lusty desires in our heart. And in this way, you are so wonderful that your darshan removes all the inauspiciousness. Today morning I was seeing in the TV that everybody were playing. So many messages was going in the YouTube channel that, oh Lord, remove all the inauspiciousness. It is only Jagannath. Why does he come out of the temple? Because only Hindus are allowed inside the temple, but Lord is for everyone. Jagannath is for everyone. So to give darshan, Lord himself comes out of the temple. Lord is not restricted just to the Hindus. Jagannath. He is the protector, he is the maintainer of the whole universe. That is how when Lord comes out of the temple, actually he gives darshan to everyone. And in this way, he removes all the inauspiciousness. It is said, he removes all the inauspiciousness of living entities moving and inert. That means even the plants are benefited. Even everybody, like right from the human being, animals, plants, everybody are benefited just by the darshan of Lord Jagannath. And then, Jayati Jayati Devo Devaki Nandanoyam Jayati Jayati Krishno Vrishni Vamshah Pradipaha Jayati Jayati Megha Shamala Komalango Jayati Jayati Prithvi Bharanashah Mukundaha. Lord is Mukundaha. Mukhara Vinda Kundavati. Lord's lotus face is compared with kunda flowers. Lord is so beautiful. When Lord appears, he removes the burden of the earth. Prithvi Nashah, Prithvi Bharanashah. Especially Lord appears to remove the burden of the earth. So what is the burden in the earth? Mother can maintain many children. Earth can maintain many children. But when inauspiciousness of the demons increase, this demonic tendency when they increase, that is how it gives bhara. Like if there are 10 children, if one child is very notorious, that one child itself becomes a bhara for the mother. If all the 100 children are so wonderful, it doesn't matter. But even if one child is there, but very notorious child, that becomes a bhara. So the demonic tendency where forgetfulness of Krishna is there, that is bhara. Where a person thinks he is God or she is God or somebody is God, anybody is God, forgetting that we are servants of Lord. When the forgetfulness that we are servant of Lord is there, that is known as bhara. So Lord appears to remove the bhara of this earth. And he is so wonderful, Komalanga, he is so beautiful. Megha Shamala Komalanga. He is a person, he has a personality. It is not that Lord is impersonal. That is why here, Vrishni Vamshah Pradipaha, he has appeared in the Vrishni Vamshah. And also, Lord's Anga is Komala, very soft, Komala Angaha. And Lord is a person. There is always a fight whether Lord is personal or impersonal. Lord is a person. That is why Lord's introduction is given. Devaki Nandanoyam. Lord likes to be called by the devotees' names. Parthasarathi, Devaki Nandanaha, Yashoda Nandanaha. So in this way, Lord likes to be called by the devotees' names. So all glories to you, O Supreme Personality of Godhead. So these are the verses from Mukundwala, which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is singing before the Ratha. And glorifying Lord's beauty. And is so happy within his mind that he is pulling Lord from Dwarka to Vrindavan. So all the gopis are actually waiting. They have sustained their life just because they have a hope that Krishna will come. Krishna has given the promise that I will never leave Vrindavan. At the same time, he is unmanifest in Vrindavan. All the gopis cry there. But Krishna has given a promise that he will come back. In that hope, they are waiting for Krishna. Jayati tedikam janmana braja shayata indira shashvadatrahi daita drishyatam dikshutavakas Vaidrutasavas Tvam Vichinvate. The first verse itself in Gopi Geet says that we have sustained our life only because we are waiting for you. And if you come back and if you don't find us, then you will be very upset. And we don't want to give you even a small bit of sadness. Though you keep us sad, but we don't want to keep you in a small bit of sadness also. If you find that we all have left our bodies, then you will be very sad. And we cannot even think about it. That is why we have sustained our lives. In this way, gopis, they sing in lamentation. Because when Krishna unmanifests himself, at the time, they sing a very nice pada. Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kavibhireditam kalmashapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadatam Bhuvi Grunanti Te Bhurida Janaha. So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard these words from Prataprudra, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taking rest in the Vallabha gardens when Jagannath was offered a lot of bhogas. At the time, King Prataprudra, who wanted the personal audience of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not giving him the personal audience. At the time, Prataprudra enters the garden, having the attire of a devotee, very simple dress. At that time, when he was singing the Gopi Git, when this pada comes, Tabakathamrutam Tapta Jeevanam Kabibhiritam Kalmashapam, at the time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got up and just hugged him. So this verse is very dear to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. All the gopis, they sing this verse. They say, Tabakathamrutam Tapta Jeevanam. Your katha is amrita. Actually, gopis are very angry. So when they are angry, when they are singing this verse, there is a double meaning for this verse. They say, Tabakathamrutam Tapta Jeevanam Kabibhiritam. These kavis, these devotees, when they come and sing the glories about you, our tapa increases more and more. Actually, they are making us burn more in separation of you. Tabakathamrutam Tapta Jeevanam Kabibhiritam Kalmashapaham. Though they want to remove all their kalmashas, but actually they are giving us more tapa because we are more remembering about you. Our dukha is that we are not able to forget you. And when these kavis, they come and sing about you, we are remembering you more and more. In that separation, we are burning also more and more. Tavakathamrutam tapta jeevanam. It is like in the pan, if you put a water drops, the bubbles goes here and there. At the time, it is like, it is not drying also. At the same time, it is suffering also. When you hot pan, you put some bubble and you see this bubbles dances here and there. The bubble doesn't evaporate also fast. That is our situation. We are not able to die also. We are not able to leave also. We are just burning in your separation. And these devotees who come and sing about your glories, they are actually killing us. So, Tabakathamrutam Tapta Jeevanam Kabibhiritam Kalmashapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grunantiye Bhurida Janaha. In this way, your glories are sung around the world so that all the kalmashas are removed. So the Gopi Geet was sung by King Prataprudra. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was feeling so happy. And in that happiness, he actually forgot that Prataprudra was there with him. And then afterwards, he was very happy with Prataprudra also, because Prataprudra did the most menial work. And the menial work is performing the Shera Fera festival. That is, festival is the brooming of the chariot, brooming of the road, brooming of the chariot. So this brooming festival melted the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Lord likes if the devotees are very humble. So this humble work, the most humble work, is the brooming festival. So here, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is singing in the separation of when the pata was closed. At the time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is in separation. Now when the pat is open, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is bringing Lord from Nilachal to Sundarachal Parvat. The Sundarachal Parvat is actually Vrindavan. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so happy that Lord is going to come back to Vrindavan. At that time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu starts these verses with Namo Brahman Devaya Go Brahmanitaya Jagaddataya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Nama. O Lord, you are the Lord for Brahmanas. Brahmaniti Janati Brahmanaha. Whoever is eager to know more about Lord, to study the scriptures, they all come in the Brahmanical cult. So Namo Brahmana Devaya. Lord protects the Brahmanas. Lord protects the cows. Lord likes to be identified with the cows. That is why Lord's name is Govinda. Govindaya Namo Namah. Go here refers to the cows. Go refers to the Mother Earth. Go refers to the gopis, to the gopas. So Lord likes to be identified with the cows, with the devotees. That is how Namo Brahmana Devaya. Go Brahmana Hitaya. Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. Krishna protects everyone. So Lord here in Jagannath, he is known as Shokaditera Shoka. Shokaditera Shoka refers to, he cries in lamentation. He is also crying in Dwaraka. Lord also cries in Dwaraka in separation with the gopis of Vrindavan. That is how Lord sends the message with Uddhava, that go and tell the gopis. It is not that they are only feeling the separation. Even I am having the separation. So Lord also cries in Dwarka. Lord had gone for certain purpose, and what was the purpose? To kill the demons and to protect the Brajavasis. So that is why Lord goes to Mathura, kills Kamsa, and further he goes to Dwarka, and in this way Lord appears for certain purposes, to remove all the dharma. So in this way Lord goes to Dwarka, but even though he is served very nicely in Dwarka, but still he cries. And his cry is more in the maddened form. More maddened form than even Radharani. But there is a competition. Who cries the most? Radharani cries the most or Krishna cries the most? So there is always a competition. Then Radharani's cry is more than even Krishna's cry. Then Krishna says, okay, you can cry more, I will also cry more. So in this way there is a crying separation. When that crying separation happens, the tears fall, and that is only Radha Kund and Shyam Kund. What is Radha Kund and Shyam Kund? They are the tears which has come from the Radharani's eyes and Krishna's eyes. And that is how there is always a competition. Who loves each other the best? So, Shokaditer Shoka, Radha Viraha Vidura. Radha Viraha Vidura. He is crying in separation of Radharani. That crying separation, that crying form is Jagannath. He is actually full of Ananda, but he is Purna Anandayara Vilapa. It's exactly opposite. Though externally he is a king in Dwarka, but internally he is a crying king. He is crying for his devotees. Lord always cries for the devotees. There is always a competition between Krishna and the devotees. Who serves the best? Krishna serves the best, or devotees serves the best? So there is always a competition, and Krishna always tries to prove that he serves the best. So in this way, the crying form of Jagannath. Jagannath is a crying form of Krishna. This crying form of Krishna is Jagannath. And Chaitanya is also crying. Chaitanya is in the mood of Radharani. He is also crying in separation. So both are crying to meet each other. And that union in separation, that is Jagannath. Jagannath Rath Yatra is nothing but union in separation. They were separated, and now there is a union. So union in separation. So that is Rath Yatra. So more about Rath Yatra we will be hearing from Kamalochan Prabhuji. What is the time now? 6 o'clock. So Rath Yatra, how this form of Jagannath appeared. Why Jagannath? Sometimes people ask, why Jagannath has so big eyes? Why half hand where there are legs? Sometimes people think, oh, Jagannath is all half. It's not half. Jagannath is always Purna. This is a special form manifested in this Kali Yuga. The special form to bestow all auspiciousness to the whole world. This is a special form. Whoever is a devotee can see that Lord Jagannath is non-different from Krishna. He is the same Shyam Sundara, three-bended form. Though appears in the Daru Brahma, he said in the Daru Brahma, the form of Daru Brahma, though appears as incomplete form, but he is all complete. Om Purnamadha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Lord is always complete. There is a special purpose, there is special meaning for always the different forms. So this is the form in the second prarabdha of Brahma. Now this is the 51st year of Brahma going on. I want the Jagannath Ashtakam. So 51st year of Brahma going on. At that time, Lord has to appear like this. Before that, Lord appeared in the Neela Madhava form. So the Neela Madhava form, and now Lord is in the Daru Brahma form, and this is the form which has been desired by Narada. Lord Narada told to Lord that, oh Lord, show this form to everyone. So in this Kali Yuga, Lord has personally appeared in this wonderful form. So one or two padas of Jagannath Ashtakam also will try to sing. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatu Me. Kadachit Kalindi Tata Vipina Sangita Taravo मुदाभिरी नारी वदन कमला स्वाद मधुपहा रमा शंभु ब्रह्मा मरपति गणेशारचितपदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे मुझे सभी वेणुं शिरसि शिखि पृच्छं कटितटे गोकुलं नितान्ते सहचरकटाक्षं विदधते सदा श्रीमद्वृन्दावन वसति लीला परिचयो जगन्नाथ भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे महम्बोधि स्थिरे कनकरुचिरे नीलशिखरे वसन् प्रादादत सहज बलभद्रेण बलिना सुभद्रा मध्यस्थ सकल सुरसेवावसरदो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे कृपा पारंगार जय जलद श्रेणी रुचिरो रमावाणी राम स्फुरदमल पंकेरुहमुखा सुरेन्द्रैराराध्य श्रुतिगणशिखा गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे रथारूढ गच्छन् प्रतिमिलित भूदेव पथलै स्तुति प्रादुर्भावं प्रतिपदमुपाकर्ण्य सदयः दया सिन्धुर्बन्धु सकल जगतां सिन्धुसुतया जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे परब्रह्म पीड कुवलयदलोत्फुल्ल नयनो निवासी लीलाद्रौ निहित चरणोऽनन्त शिरसि रसानन्दो राधा सरसवपु आलिङ्गन सुखो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे नवयचे राजन्न चकणकमाणिक्य विभवम् नयाचेऽहं रम्यां सकल जनकाम्यां वरवधूं सदा काले काले प्रमथपतिना गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे हरत्वं संसारं द्रुतरं रसां सुरपते हरत्वं संसारं द्रुततरं असारं सुरपते हरत्वं पापानां विततिमपरां यादवपते अहो दीने नाथे निहितचरणो निष्ठितमिदम् जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथाष्टकं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः शुचिः सर्वपापविशुद्धात्मा विष्णुलोकं च गच्छति. So the wonderful meaning of this verse is, just a synopsis of this. So Lord Jagannath plays the flute. Actually, while going on the Ratha, Lord sees both the sides. And Lord remembers Yamuna. And Lord remembers the gopis. So that is how he's playing the flute. And even the great personalities, Shiva, Brahma, Indra, they all worship his lotus feet. Lakshmi. And in this way, let that Lord Jagannath be the object of my vision. So what is the perfection of our eyes? Jagannatha Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavahetu me. That is the perfection of our life. The object of our vision should be Lord Jagannath. And Lord Jagannath wears peacock feathers. Now in Dwarka, where Lord has peacock feathers, that is why Radharani says, this is not Vrindavan. You don't have a peacock feather on your head. And where are you in the three-bended form? Where is the Tribhanga form? So come to Vrindavan. Where are the cows? Where is your flute? And here Lord Jagannath, actually he wears peacock feathers. He wants to wear the peacock feathers. That is why he is coming to Gundicha temple. That is considered as Vrindavan. From the corner of the eyes, he bestows sidelong glances to his loving devotees. And in this way, he wants to reveal the wonderful pastimes which he does with the Brajavasis, especially the gopis of the Vrindavan. So let that Lord Jagannath be the object of my eyes. So which Jagannath? Not Dwarka Jagannath. Which Jagannath? Vrindavan Jagannath. So Vrindavan Jagannath, who has the flute in his hand, the peacock feathers, wearing the peacock feathers on the head, and fine yellow silken cloth. So let that Jagannath be the object of my eyes. And in this way, Lord Jagannath, he comes with his brother and sister. So let the Lord Jagannath be the object of my eyes. And in this way, he is so beautiful, like the blackish rain clouds. His body, Kanti, that is the color of his body, is blackish rain clouds. And he is the storehouse of the bliss for Lakshmi and Saraswati. And his face resembles a spotless, full-blown lotus. And in this way, all the demigods and the sages, they worship him. The Upanishads, they sing the glories. When Lord Jagannath moves along the road on his Rath Yatra car, at every step, there are so many Brahmanas, large Brahmanas, that is, large assemblies of Brahmanas and the devotees, they chant the prayers and they sing for the pleasure. And hearing to those songs, Jagannath is very happy. Jagannath likes to hear the songs. Gita Govinda is the very dearest for the Lord Jagannath. It so happened, Lord Jagannath had some bruises on the face, like as if the thorns have pricked him. So the king was thinking, what is happening? Why Lord Jagannath is not worshipped properly? At that time, Lord Jagannath revealed that I like to hear the songs. And a little girl was singing song in the bushes where the rose tree was there. There she used to sing Gita Govinda. And to hear Gita Govinda, Lord used to come out of the temple. Then the king told, you should have told us earlier. We would have made arrangement. That is why even today, at the night, Lord is made to hear Gita Govindam. Lord likes Gita Govindam. We'll try to sing after the thing, Gita Govindam. So in this way, Lord likes to hear the songs. For hearing the songs, he can go out of the temple also. So all the devotees, when they sing song, Krishna likes. And then further is said, Lord is the ornament on Brahma's head. He resides in Nilachal hill. And he joyfully embraces Srimati Radharani. And the 7th verse is so beautiful. It is said, I don't want any kingdom, I don't want any gold, I don't want any rubies, I am not hankering for any beautiful wife or anything. I just want Lord to be always the constant object of my vision. Oh Lord, please quickly remove the useless material existence which I am undergoing. Please remove this vast, shoreless ocean of sins. So here the prayers go. That I am just stuck in this material existence. Oh Lord, it's only you who can remove me out of this material existence. and remove me out of all these the sinful tendencies which I have. So let me come out of all these things, because, oh Lord, only you are the shelter. I have no other shelter except you, oh Lord, in this world. So let Lord Jagannath be the object of my vision. So whoever sings this 8 padas Jagannath Ashtakam every day, it said Lord Jagannath cleanses all his sins, and in this way he can easily attain Lord's abode. There is the glory of this song. So Jagannath Ashtakam is written by Sripad Adi Shankaracharya. He had written this song. Hare Krishna. So now we'll have the class. Prabhuji, somebody go and call Prabhuji. First, call Prabhuji.